What's up, guys? This is Brent with Western Equipment, and real quick here, for any of you 1025R owners out there, or any of you that are thinking about getting into a 1025R, this is one feature that you definitely need to make sure that you have on your machine, or if you don't have it, that you get it. Now, the feature that I'm talking about is going to be this assembly right here, and this is going to be single point hookup connection hydraulics for your front end loader. Now, right here, all this is going to have is going to be a handle and a locking lever right back here. But with this system, it makes taking your hydraulics loose from this machine when we are detaching our loader a snap. Now, I have done many videos before taking loaders off of this machine and taking loaders off of other machines that have these 4 hydraulic hoses that end up being the absolute worst part to taking these loaders off. But with this single point hookup, that makes this a breeze. The 3 steps that we need to make sure and do is we need to make sure and have our bucket completely down on the ground as far as it can go. Then we need to have that engine turned off. And then lastly, we need to relieve any of those hydraulic pressures that we may still have there with the joystick. And then what we're going to do is we are going to push in the direction the arrow shows here on our locking lever, just like so. And then once we do that, we're simply going to pull back on our black handle here and then just start to remove, just like so. And now once we have that removed, now we can simply set that over to the side, continue to park this loader, and then we are good to go. And then whenever we go to hooking this back up, which is always the problem, it's going to be as simple as taking this unit, matching up the holes there, matching up those couplers, getting it back down into place, and then just simply rotating our handle until it locks into place. And that is all it takes to do the hydraulic single point hookup on these 1025Rs. So if you have an older machine that does not have this connection and you are still working with those old style couplers, make sure to check this out. See if you can get these parts from your local dealer, or go check us out at 247parts.com so we can get you hooked up with one of these today. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, we just ask that you would hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, if you are needing any other parts besides this, make sure to check us out at 247parts.com. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.